Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3, X4, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find where the fuses and relays guys for headlights are located, where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays with a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So guys, for the headlights, which fuses and relays we need to check? By the way, we have multiple fuses and relays in different fuse boxes that we need to check. We will demonstrate on this BMW here, but if you have a BMW X3, X4, they'll be on the same platform, so it should work for both. What we need to do first, open the passenger door, open the glove box, empty your glove box. In the very back on the right side you have that cover, press that tab, pull that cover out. Behind it you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So guys, what we need to check, multiple fuses will need to be checked today. They are known as light fuses. If you have problems with lights not working, always check these fuses here, okay, starting on top. Here we have fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4. Fuse number 4 will need to be checked. That 10 fuse that you see here. Then we need to check fuse number 8 right here. That one is important fuse. After that you need to check fuse number 10 right there. Then 11, 12, 13, fuse number 13. That 5M fuse that you see here will need to be checked. You guys also need to check fuse number 16, and this is a very important fuse right here. On top, fuse number 24, which in our case that's 23, 24, that 10M fuse here. After that you need to locate fuse number 57, and 57 is in the very top, second fuse right here on the left side, that 15M fuse. After that you need to check fuse number 66, which is on the bottom. We're talking about that 7.5M fuse here. Now you have another fuse box which is in the trunk. You need to remove that cover on the side, leave that insulation, and underneath you have that fuse box. Here if we zoom in, we need to check a few more fuses specifically, guys. We're talking about fuse number 101, that fuse here, very important fuse. You need to check fuse number 107, that 5M fuse here. You need to also check fuse number 140. 140 will be that 5M fuse here. And then you need to check fuse number 173. So you may or may not have all of them. If you have it, it will be 172, 173 will be that second fuse right here that you will need to check. Now relays, guys, you have practically only a few relays in that car. Most of the relay functions will be controlled by the control modules. So those fuses are known as relay fuses. If you have problems with your lights, always check these fuses first, guys. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because you have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.